Hello, Shawn here. Welcome to this series of videos where we will go over the LifeVantage Compensation Plan. I'll be using the Compensation Plan highlights, which can be found at LifeVantage.com. Scroll to the bottom of LifeVantage.com and look for the link circled here. It will bring you to the one-page PDF summary you see at the right. This video will give you a look at the Smart Start bonus, just one of several ways you get paid at LifeVantage. The first term you'll need to understand is personal volume, as this will determine the percentage you're paid at. Personal volume is derived from your personal product purchases, or what you order on a monthly basis, and you must have a minimum of 40 PV, or the equivalent of a bottle of Protandim NRF2. Now everyone should be on the Vitality Stack, right? So you'll be well above the 40. This also includes purchases made by all of your personally enrolled customers. Every LifeVantage product has three different values: subscription price, list price, and PV or personal volume, which you'll also hear referred to as commissionable volume. Let's assume your monthly subscription order is one Vitality Stack. Your PV is 125, which is above the minimum 40 required to be paid, and it qualifies you to be paid at 30% when you enroll new customers and distributors. Now let's go through a scenario based on this 30%. If you signed up a preferred customer who has a monthly subscription order of a Vitality Stack, your commission would be 125 times 0.3 or 30% for a total of $37.50. So now let's take a look at the impact of adding just that one customer to your personal volume. Your monthly subscription order is still one Vitality Stack, but now you also have a customer with one Vitality Stack as well. Your total PV is 125 from your order, 125 from theirs, for a total of 250 PV. So your PV is above the 200, you have the minimum 40 required from a personal order, and this is now going to qualify you to be paid at 40% when you enroll new customers and distributors. Now in this scenario, if you signed up a preferred customer who has a monthly subscription order of a Vitality Stack, your commission would be 125 times 0.4 or 40% for $50. You guys, this is $12.50 more than at 30% for the exact same amount of work. So you've got to make sure you and your team gets above 200 PV as soon as possible. The Smart Start bonus will be paid on up to 1,000 commissionable volume, or a maximum of $400, for each new preferred customer or distributor within their first calendar month. So how does this translate to commission for new distributors? Let's assume again your monthly subscription order is one Vitality Stack and you don't have any other customers. You'll be paid at 30% in this scenario since your total PV is 125. Now, silver packs are worth 250 personal volume for the enroller and 250 organizational volume for their sponsor, which would be you. Gold packs 500 in volume and platinum packs 1,000. So the commission at 30% for a silver pack is $75, the gold pack is $150, and the platinum pack is $300. Now let's assume that your monthly subscription order is the one Vitality Stack and you have 125 more PV from customers. You'll be paid at 40% in this scenario since your total personal volume is above 200. Now the commission at that 40% level for a silver pack goes up from $75 to $100. The gold pack is now $200, and the platinum pack, which used to pay $300, pays $400. You guys, it's an absolute no-brainer. You and your teams have to be above the 200 PV level right away to maximize this commission structure. If you're going to be in business, don't leave money on the table you can earn for the exact same amount of work. Alright, that wraps up the Smart Start bonus training, the first video in our LifeVantage Compensation Plan series. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Shawn and Michelle Poe, so you can watch the rest of the series and be updated when new trainings come out.